Hey there! Thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show you a little project. It's an orange crown, and next week we have Kingsday here in the Netherlands, and I thought it would be nice to make a little orange crown. You can make a brush out of it. Just attach a little pin over here. You can also add a little bit of ribbon. Our flag is red, white and blue, and an orange. And you can attach this also if you would like that, so it will be really Dutch. So this is what I wanna show you on this video. Take your yarn. I've got a crochet hook 2.5 millimeters. First make a slip knot, and then make a chain base of 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then skip the first chain, and in the next chain make a single crochet, and in every other chain make a single crochet. So in the end you will have 9 single crochets. Okay, so this is row 1 with all just single crochets. Chain 1, turn your work, and in every stitch make a single crochet. So again you will have 9 single crochets when you are at the end of the row. And 9, chain 1, turn your work, and just one more row of single crochets in every stitch. So again 9 single crochets when you are at the end of the row. Having a hard time to focus. Okay, so we have 3 rows of single crochets. So now chain 8, turn your work, skip 1, 2, 3 chain single crochets, and in the next make a double crochet. So in the 4th single crochet make a double crochet. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip 1 stitch, and in the next one make a single double crochet. Chain 8, and in the last stitch make a slip stitch. Chain 1, turn your work. In this chain 8 space make 8 single crochets, so around that a chain. in a chain 6 space, make 3 single crochets, chain 3, and in that first chain make a slip stitch, and then again 3 single crochets in that chain 6 space. And then in a chain 8 space make 8 single crochets. I'm using acrylic yarn, so it's a bit more fluffy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. For now I just cut my yarn, and then I'll make a slip stitch in the side of the single crochet row, the last single crochet row, and then just pull your yarn through that stitch or through that loop on your hook. Now take a needle, a blunt needle, and we are going to weave in this end so your work won't come undone. So I'm just weaving in the tail. And what I would like to do is I cut my tail over here and then just go over this stitch and then through here just weave in your tail back to the beginning, so your crochet work or your yarn won't come undone when you are using your crown. So just cut off your yarn, and for this one you need to weave in your ends too, but I won't show it because, well, you know how to do it. What I wanted to say is that if you use cotton yarn, your work will be a little bit more crisp looking. For now you can see the fluffy threads of your acrylic yarn, or my acrylic yarn. And you can also make a garland if you like to, if you use bigger crowns. So with a bigger hook and bigger yarn, thicker yarn, you can make bigger crowns and just attach them with single crochets, and then you can make a garland. And well, this is what I want to show you. Happy crocheting, and see you next time. Bye bye.